Yeah, good evening, everyone. So first of all, for first 5-10 minutes, I'll explain what is the way we can make 300 to 400 every day in each of the prop firm accounts. So prop firm accounts is where you don't trade using your own money. You trade on the accounts provided by these proprietary firms. You have to pay some amount to them to take their evaluations or to get their funded accounts. So it is like, right, to get a $50,000 account, you may pay right. For example, Apex is running a 90% offer. So you may pay 15 $16 per month. And if you do it well, you will get the $50,000 account. And whatever you trade, whatever profits you make first to 15, 20,000, they will give you 100%. After that, they will give you 90%. And 90% to you, they keep 10%. Like that, there are 30 to 40 different prop firms. So you can use the same chart, same indicators, and you can take the advantage by connecting all of them. You can take trade in one prop firm account, but it can get copied into different prop firms. So our objective should be to wait for a good setup. Whenever you see a perfect setup, take a trade, and then our indicators will help you to find those perfect setups or wait for that confirmation. Whenever you see, make 100 $150 in each trade, take one or two trades. So generally in the evening time we may find one or two trade. In the morning time before even market opens, we may find one or two good setups. Once market opens, we may see three or four or more setups. So all we need is one or two good setups. And if you make 300 in one account, you can copy the same trade into 10 accounts, 20 accounts, 50 accounts. It is up to you based on your budget. And as you gain more and more confidence, you can keep adding more and more accounts. So there are certain steps you need to follow. The first step is, right, our indicators, our software is built on a platform called TradingView. TradingView is number one charting platform. That is where we designed our indicators, our software, which will help you to identify where the big market players are buying, where big market players are selling. You will also know when we get the buy signals, is it a good to buy? When we get a sell signal, is it good to sell? There are different indicators which I'll explain later. But to use the indicators which we developed and designed, you have to get a subscription to TradingView. Right? TradingView is like a marketplace. So now they are running because of the Cyber Monday. Today is the last day. They are running that 70% discount on their premium plan, where you can create alerts for hundreds of stocks, hundreds of currencies. So that is one of the best plan. So they are giving 70% off plus additional 1 month when you get a 12 months access. That means for 13 months, you will pay approximately $200 or so. So that is one of the best investments you can make if you want to make some nice gains in trading, right? So, or if you don't want to invest 200 plus on TradingView annual subscription, you can start with a monthly subscription, right? Which may cost around $10 to $15. Then you, if you want to use our indicators, you can access our, or you can subscribe to our indicators, where you can use them for stocks, options, futures, currencies, whatever you want, you can use them. The strategy, the logic is same, but based on, right, if you want to take advantage of trading in prop firms for futures, you can use them on futures. Right? The advantage with futures is they are global markets. They cannot be manipulated. There will be millions of transactions every day. So, and you don't need to look at hundreds or thousands of stocks. All you need to look is 10 to 12 some well-known future tickers. And if you follow a proper strategy every day, easily you can make $300. So the second step is you will subscribe to the indicators, right? So that those indicators will help you, because all you need is a systematic way, right? If you trade with the FOMO, with emotions, or with assumptions, you will not be successful in trading. But if you follow a systematic approach, That okay, if this happens, I'll go long, or if these conditions happen, I'll go short. So like that, if you put some conditions, if you trade based on those rules, you will be successful 90% of the time. You will make profits from the trades, right? So that is where our indicators will help you to make gains on 90% of the time, either with stocks or options, futures, whatever it is. So that is your step number two. So step number three, again, because of the Cyber Monday, Black Friday weekend, all those things, there are all these prop firms are running some special deals, right? So Bullnox is one of the prop firms which uses rhythmic accounts. So they are running a 90% discount, right? Only until end of tomorrow. Again, after that, you may have to pay now something which you get for $16, you may have to pay $30, $40 for one account after Tuesday, right? That is after tomorrow, you may have to pay $40. Today, you can get it by paying $16. So that is the Bullnox account, right? That is one of the prop firms. So it is like you are, for example, you are a developer, you are developing a code and you are able to sell that code to Bullnox, sell that code to Apex, sell it to Tradify, sell it to Ally Trader Fund. For your same work, you are getting paid by different companies. So Bullnox is one of such companies. They are running a 90% offer now. So you can get whatever, right? If you want only one account, you can get one account. If you want to get, they will give you up to, right? If you want 20 accounts also, you can buy 20 evaluation accounts. It is up to you. And once you complete the challenge, those evaluation accounts will become performance accounts. That is where you will start actually making money. So that is your step three, where you will use a promo code RCA90. And then once you click on the link and you can get some of the accounts. Step four, you can directly go to a site called flowbirds.ninja. So that is, there is a software called Replicanto because generally you can trade only in one account at a time. But if you want to scale up, right, if you want to take advantage of a good setup, right, your personal account, your money is limited. You cannot trade. Maybe if you are a small account player, you may have 20K, 10K, 5K, 30K, right? If you have a big account, you may have $1 million. But if you want to trade on a 10 million account or 20 million account, the way is prop firms. So where you can buy multiple accounts, complete challenge or multiple accounts, and you can trade on a 5 million, 10 million, 20 million, 100 million. It is unlimited. But you cannot take trade individually in each account. So this Replicanto is a software which will help you to copy the trade. When you find a good setup, if you copy the trade, it will get copied to all the other accounts. So one way is you can directly go to the flowbots.ninja.com and you can directly purchase. They have a plan, right? They have a license, Replicanto lifetime license for $199. Or if we buy uh, eight or nine together, we get it for around $100 each. So either you can sell it to me, so you will get nearly 50% discount than what you pay there. This is for the lifetime license. So you can use that software for lifetime once you get it. Or you can sell it to me, so I can buy bulk licenses together and then I can yeah, share the right. You have to send your machine ID. Then uh, I can copy that in the back end. Then you will be able to use that software. So then, if you want to, right, because the we all want to scale up our time, right? Multiply your efforts, multiply your time. So if you have to work in a job, right? Let us say you are making 100K. If I say, right, now uh, can you make 200K? Then one way is you have to do two different projects, two different jobs, right? Maybe work something in the Europe time frame, work something in the Asia or in the US hours or something like that, right? You have to extend your time. But if you want to use the same time but multiply your income, multiply your salary, the prop firms is the way. So because There are 30, 40 companies, and most of them use the same instruments, right? Like Nasdaq or ES, gold, crude oil, silver, platinum. So when you are watching a chart, if you are taking a trade in Apex, you want to copy the same trade into Tradify. You want to copy the same trade into Tick Tick Trader. You may want to copy the same trade into My Funded Futures. So when you are confident, comfortable, when you understand the rules, then you can basically whatever job you are doing, the same effort will help you to get payouts from all these different companies. There are 30, 40 companies, but you can start with maybe three or four companies, right? And then once you start making money from these three, four companies, then you add three, four companies. You can double your uh, payouts. Then you add another three, four companies, right? As you go progress, get more and more experience, you can keep on adding more companies. You can keep on making more money for the same time, right? You are not extending. You may work for 2 hours, 3 hours a day, but whatever you are making in that 8 hours, 9 hours in your job, you can make the same thing working 2 to 3 hours, provided you give time to learn, understand, practice, gain the experience, gain the emotional balance. You will be able to do it. So there are some companies which directly provide you funded accounts. That means you don't need to complete any challenge. From day one, whatever you make, that means that is the real money you are making. There are some companies like Take Profit Trader, Apex, My Funded Futures, Light Trader Funding. So there are some companies where first you have to complete an evaluation. Once you complete the evaluation, then they will give you a challenge account, the performance account, right, where you will get the actual payout. So if you are a new trader, you want to start slow, you want to start with a low investment, you can start with challenge accounts. If you are an experienced trader, you can trade with a discipline, you can understand the rules, and then you can basically start with direct funded account. So you are not wasting time in doing evaluation for 1 2 weeks, again paying for the performance account. You have to pay for evaluation accounts. Again, once you complete evaluation, you have to pay for the performance accounts. You are wasting a lot of time. In meantime, you may start making money in those 2 or 3 weeks. So it is up to you based on your experience, or you can also take some funded accounts, some challenge accounts. It is up to you. Once you get that, then you have to, right, these companies will send you instructions on installing Ninja Trader Rhythmic Pro. You have to do that because that is where we can install your Replicanto software. That's why we need Ninja Trader. So they will send you the instructions. Then we'll also install Ninja Replicanto software on the Ninja Trader. And then you will connect one of your TraderWeight accounts to TradingView software. So there are mainly two softwares these all these prop firms use. One of them is called as a Ninja Trader, which is more like a traditional software, little old technology software. Then the other software which most of the prop firms use, TraderWeight, which is also bought by Ninja Trader now. But TraderWeight is more like an advanced software which can be accessible on Mac or which can be accessible on your iPads, which can connect to TradingView. Right, your Ninja Trader cannot be connected to TradingView, whereas your TraderWeight can be connected to TradingView. It can be accessed on. You can use it on Mac and other things. Your Ninja Trader cannot be installed on a Mac. So we are using Replicanto to connect all these both Rhythmic accounts, Ninja Trader accounts. So whenever you trade on TradingView, because all your indicators, everything is on TradingView. So you are connecting a TraderWeight account to TradingView, and then you can make that as a leader account. Whatever trades you take in the TradingView, the same trade will get copied into all the other accounts, right? It can be accounts from the same company, it can be accounts from different companies. You can copy the same trade. You are waiting for a good setup. Whenever you see a good setup, you can take a trade. The same trade will go to all the other accounts. It can be your individual accounts, it can be prop firm accounts, it can be, right? You can copy into 10 accounts, 20 accounts, 100 accounts. Basically, you want to multiply your efforts, right? For the same effort you are spending on the chart, on analyzing it, you want to make most of it. So even if you make $100, right, a small NQ trade, if you see a perfect buy signal, easily you can make $100 because NQ moves very quickly, 20, 30 points. Even if it moves 3, 4 points, 5 points, you will make $100 very easily. So when you are making that $100, you copy the trade into 10 other accounts. That is like you are making $1,000. So easily you can make $300 in each account. And if that $300 trade you are right, that account you are copying, those trades you are copying into another 10 accounts, 20 accounts. That is like where you are making 3K, 5K, 6K every day, right? Initially, you might be doing them on evaluation. You may feel that, oh, this is not real money. But you are basically practicing, right? Whatever you do in the evaluation, that is like your internship. That is like where you are learning how to trade, how to take quick profits, how to, right, if something is going opposite, how to quickly close it. You are learning all those things as part of the evaluation phase. Once you learn it, then you can repeat the same thing in the performance accounts. So that's why it is important for you to understand the rules and logic. And then basically you use our indicators on the trading view and you take the trades. So that is what we do every day, right? Today also, right? Today morning before market open itself, NQ and ES were bullish. We took long, and then we took, for example, now also ES is looking good. So what you do, right? Generally, there is a simple process. For example, we have, right? For example, you got a buy signal. Your trend is bullish in all higher time frames. Your momentum is bullish, right? If it is green, that represents it is good to buy. There is a strength in all the time frames. There is volatility. Volatility means is it completely dead or is it moving up and down? Is there a movement? So if all these, right, majority of it is green, when you get a buy signal, you easily make 100, $150. Or let us say you got a sell signal. Right? Let us take something like natural gas or some bearish ticker, right? Let us say we got a sell signal and all the trend momentum, everything is bear, everything is red. Then if you take a sell signal, easily you will make 100, $150. So all we need is one or two trades like that, right? There will be 20, 30 opportunities every day, but all we are looking is for one or two such opportunities. So today also ESNQ was bullish. So we waited for the buy signal. Whenever we got a buy signal, we took a trade. We made 100, $150. Again, it went up. It came down. Again, it went up. So whenever it is, you get a buy signal, you can do QQQ calls. You can do QQQ bull put spreads. You can do TQQ calls. You can make money with futures. You can make money with SPY, SPX. Because your NQ and ES, they move in the same direction, right? You can see that it came down. It started going up. You can see NQ. It came down, it started moving up. So 95% of the time, NQ and ES will move in the same direction. So when you're trading NQ and ES, you can also trade SPX, right? ES is nothing but your 500 companies, right? Top 500 S&P companies. So, so what we did today, right? We saw that it was bullish. We took bull put spreads multiple times. So we made nice profits. Some even with the 5 contracts, 10 contracts, you would have made $300, $400 just with SPX bull put spreads. In the same way, we took QQQ bull put spreads because we saw that it was bullish. We got a everything was green. We got a green line. We got a buy signal. We took the QQQ bull put spreads. We made some nice 100, right? Even with 10 contracts, we made $200, $300. So like that at the same time. You can make money with NQ and ES, and you can copy the trade into multiple other accounts, right? You're not only trading in one account, you are connecting to prop firm, right, to replicanto, and then you are copying the same trade into multiple other accounts. In the same way, you are also uh, you can also take TQQ, or if it is bullish, you can play with QQQ, TQQ, SPY, SPX. If it is bearish, you can play with SQQ, or you can buy puts for QQQ. You can buy puts for TQQ. Like that, your effort is you are just watching one chart, but you can buy stocks, right? For example, if ES is bullish, you can buy TQQ stock. It moves a dollar. You buy 100 stocks, you will make $100. Or you can do options. You can buy TQQ calls, or SQQ puts. You can buy SPX calls. You can do SPX pull put spreads. Like that, you can do QQQ bull put spreads, whatever you want, right? If it is little choppy, we can go with bull put spreads, right? So for example, is in a consolidation. Today morning also it was very choppy for most of the time. So we took bull put spreads. If it is a trending day, right? For example, if there was some news event, there is some good major news or something, then market will be either in a uptrend or downtrend. If it is a complete trending day, we can go with QQQ calls or SPX calls, SPY calls, like that. Today there was no major news or event, so it was more choppy, moving in a small up and down. But overall, it is the trend was bullish, momentum was bullish, so we did not take the reversal. Whenever it came to the bottom, we took the long position. So that's how you can make few $100 with either stocks or with options or with futures, or you can even combine. You make money with futures. At the same time, you also make money with options. Right? That is the advantage where you are watching the same chart, same ticker, one ticker, but you can trade in multiple accounts. You can trade with multiple tickers. You can do in multiple ways. You can do calls. You can do bull puts. You can buy stocks. You can do futures. You can do forex. There are so many ways you can by watching the same chart. You don't need to look at hundreds of tickers, hundreds of charts. We are only watching one, and you can make money in different ways. So that is the end-to-end process. You wait for the buy signal. Whenever you receive a buy signal, you will receive a notification that okay, there is a buy on crude oil or buy on silver. For example, let us take crude oil. We got a we set as notification for buy sell. So we got a sell signal, and everything is bearish here. So we got this around 7:30. So if you see that there is a cell, this one. So there is strength. Strength is also there for 1 minute, 5 minutes. So if we want, we can take a short opportunity and make some $50 and close the trade. Or here you got a buy opportunity, right? If everything is green, everything is green. This is also green. I can go long. It may go all the way from here to here. That is nearly $100, $150. I can take the trade. So like that, whenever we receive a notification, we'll check the table. We'll see if it is looking good for a long, we'll take go long. Or whenever we get a sell signal, if this is completely red, this is green, we'll go short. If we get a buy signal, if this is green, this is green, this is green, we'll go long. So during from morning 6 a.m. to 8:30 itself, we can easily make $300. But even if you cannot, if you are in Pacific region, you cannot take trade so early, from 9 to 11 also we can make another $300. So during evening times, right, during this time, generally metals like gold, silver, platinum, they move well. Our indices will be very slow, but the metals will make a nice move. So some days we'll have nice volume on metals even during this evening time also, between 7 to 9 or 8 to 9 also we can make 100 $150. So either, all right, we need a strength. So for example, I want to go and see gold. So because gold is one of the metals, so we need to have trend strength. If this is looking red, right, that means there is not much momentum. If there is a strength in the trend, if this is completely green, this is also green, then I can look for the buy signals. Or this is red, then this is green, I can look for the sell signals. So all we need is look for example, NQ. Okay, NQ has some nice bullish, right? This is green, this is green. Mostly this is also green, right? So if you find something like this, that is good for a long position. Or right, let us go to silver. If you see silver, this is bullish, this is bullish. There is a trend strength here. So mostly it is looking good for a long position, right? This is green, this is green. Your clouds are green, blue. That means mostly it is bullish. So it is also looking good for long. So like that, we right during evening time, Asia, right? The Asia market will open now. Japan, Australia, India, all these countries will start trading and they trade metals more. So during this time, we'll mainly look at the metals. Whereas in the US market hours in the morning from 6 a.m., we'll mainly look at NQ, ES, RTY, YM, such type of tickers, crude oil, like that. So all we need is one or two good setups. And once you make $150 in each trade, you close it. Right? Otherwise, you keep on waiting. If it is an individual account, you may want to make 1,500, $600 in one trade. But now you are copying the trade into another 10 accounts, another 15 accounts. So all you need is a small profit. You make $100, $150, copy into 10 accounts. That is $1,500. Right? Initially, you may trade on evaluation. You may feel but you are think like that is your real account. Because after a week, after 2 weeks, you will be trading on the real account. Whatever you take, you will be making the real money once you complete the evaluation. So think as if you are trading on the real account and take the trades when you see a perfect setup. And then that will become a habit. You will continue the same habit even in the performance accounts. Right? Don't think that, oh, it is only costing me $16. Let me just take trades, whatever, right? Whenever I see buy, I take. Whenever I see sell, I take. Right? Always look what is the overall trend. Right? Even though you are trading in 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 1 minute, you look at the overall picture. Is it more bullish or is it more bearish? If it is more bullish, only look for the buy signals. If it is looking more red, then look only for the sell signals so that you are staying with the trend. You are staying right. Even NQ, yes, they were choppy, but today we were only focusing on the buy signals. Whenever we get the buy signal, we went ahead. Right? We did not take any puts or anything. So because when you see the table, you will understand that okay, now NQ and ES overall they are bullish, right? There might be some uh, pullbacks, there might be some small reversals, but they are not major, right? If you see NQ, so you will see three or four candles, green candles, one red candle. Again, there might be three, four green candles, one or two red candles. Like that, if you see today, right, throughout the day, you can see that, right, it kept on going up, some small reversal, small pullback went up, small pullback went up. Like that, it was more bullish. So only focus on one side. If you try to focus on long side, short side, you may get confused. You may give back all the profits you make. So always look at what is the overall picture. By looking at this, you know that okay, this is more bullish. So I'll only wait for the buy signal. You can set a notification that whenever I see a buy signal, It will send a message to your phone, to your email address. Then whenever you receive a buy, you basically enter long positions, right? For example, I can enter a long position now. Because I see that there is a lot of, right, it is completely bullish in all time frames. And there is good strength, there is good volatility. It came to the bottom and again trying to go up. So if it goes all the way till here, I will make my $300-400, right? Even before tomorrow's market open itself, we can make $300-400 now. And that 300-400 get copied into another 10 accounts, funded accounts, evaluation accounts. That is like you are making up nearly $3,000-4,000, right? So this is how we basically can make 300-400 each day with low risk. So we bought at 220.75. Now it is at 221.25. That means you already made nearly $10. And when you copy it in 10, 15 accounts, you already made $200, right? Just giving an example, right? So I can put my, so yeah, I can wait until it goes all the way to 21 to 30 or so. So let me, right, share the document in US equity channel everywhere, and I'll help all the members with the setup process. If anybody needs any help in the setup, right, that is $25 or nearly that is $40, right? It only shows if you sell at a market price how much profit. But if I sell at a limit price, that is nearly $30-40 in each account. If you have 10 accounts, that is a $400 profit. But it can make nearly $100 plus. So we can hold on to the trade because overall there is a lot of bullish trend. The strength is also good, volatility is also good. And during this time, you won't have any sudden surprises, sudden news or something. So it will be little slow, but also it will be less risky during this time. So we can hold on to the trade. For example, we got ZW1 and I got a sell signal, but it is bullish in 5 minutes. I can avoid the signal. We got natural gas. We got a sell signal, and most of these time frames are bearish. This is bearish, but the strength is also little choppy. Right? If this is also green, that means there is a strength in the trend. But as of now, this is bearish, but this is also red. Right? You want to short, you want these two to be red, this to be green. You go long, you want all the three to be green. Because this is also red, there is not much strength. That means the ticker is choppy. So we can avoid it. If it is choppy, just it will go up, it will come down, go up, come down. There won't be any movement, right? Your volatility is nearly zero. That means there is not much up and down, right? It is just moving in a small sideways. Same thing with this one. It is bearish, but there is not much strength in the trend. Maybe after 15-20 minutes, we may see some good strength. But for now, let me share the document. Wait, we made nearly $80. That's nearly $100 with NQ long. Right? 100. Now I'm copying it into 10 different accounts. That is nearly $1,000. Right? Before the meeting, I made nearly $100. Now another $100. And if NQ is moving, generally ES also will move. So I can even take a position in ES. So where is your resistance? Your resistance is somewhere here. Right? So price may try to go and try to reach there. So until that point, we can continue to hold the long trade, right? Because there is a lot of bullish momentum in all time frames. There is also trend strength. There is volatility. So that's it. Once you make $200-300, then you copy that into 10 accounts. You are done with nearly 3,000, which is like your bi-weekly salary, right? And you repeat the same thing every day in the morning time, evening time. If you are working, then you can use this 7:30 to 9:30 Central, or use morning 6:30 to 8:30 Central. If you're if you have remote job and you only attend one or two meetings, then you can even do during your office, right? If you have that flexibility, you can also do that. Right? But that's how, right? Every day we are making $300-400 minimum with each of the accounts. You look for the overall trend, and then whenever you see a good opportunity, you take the trade. So here it came all the way to the bottom. Now it is trying to go up again. Right? It was in the oversold condition. Now whenever it goes to the top, that is like overbought condition. So like that we can take whenever we receive a notification, you see, and you take the trades. All you need is either red, red, green, or green, green, green. If you get a buy signal, it should be this should be green, this should be green, this should be green. You forget about fourth column, right? As long as you have green here, that is good. But yeah, if all are green, good for long. If these two are red and these two are green, good for a short. If not, then you just avoid the ticker. There are so many tickers, you don't need to enter something. If it doesn't meet your conditions, you just avoid it. For example, here you got a sell signal. Do you think this is a good one to short? You can put the comments. And this is little green, but yeah, right. Maybe If we got it somewhere here, that would have been nice. Now it is close to support, so little risky. You may not make much profit, maybe 20, $30, but if you get the same sell signal somewhere at the top, and if you see bearish, and trend strength is green, then we can go short. So better we wait for some more time. Gold is bearish. But yeah, I'll help members with some set of questions, and then we'll take more trades. As of now, we are holding NQ long, and yeah, because overall it is bullish, we can hold it for more time. So any members who need help with Replicanto setup or right, I share the end-to-end steps. If you need help with any of those steps, you can let me know. I'll help you to fix those. So let me stop sharing. Yeah. Hi, Sushmita. Are you ready to share your screen?
Yes, I can share my screen.
Yeah. Anyone who need help, they can raise their electronic hand. I'll allow one by one, and I'll help them if they are facing any issues with the Replicanto or anything else.
So I got to adding the replicanto. Basically, I got the flow bots. I got this done. I added in Tradify, but I guess from additional connections, that's where I'm struggling.
Yeah, okay. So, Sushmita, please go to tools, go to options, and go to that multi-provider is there, right? You have to check that box, multi-provider box, check box.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and say apply. That means now it will allow you to create connections for different companies. Now you
Got
go
it.
to connections, configure.
Okay, and now I should be able to add.
Yeah, you can. So, what other accounts you bought?
I have Apex, and then I've got Tick Tick Trader. A couple of them actually, just a single
Right.
sort of.
Yeah, you can go to. Yeah, let us add Apex. So you will anybody who are doing it, they can follow the same thing. Go to Ninja Trader.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh.
Yeah, double click on that, and you can rename it as Apex Trader Weight or something. So you'll know. Yeah, you can just copy your username password here. Not this one.
Oh,
Apex will give you. Apex will give you.
okay, got it. So
Yeah, from the Apex page.
I should have it.
Yeah, that show password. Yeah, just check that box.
Okay, and then this is the user ID password.
Right. Apply. Okay. Yeah. Now if you go and connections, go to connections and just select Apex. Yeah. Now your Apex connections are on. Like that, you can add 20 companies, 30 companies.
Got it. And then every single time I do that, I have to save the workspace or not?
When you add them to the Replicanto, better you say yeah. Also you can save it, but mainly you have to save when you add them to the Replicanto. So you have Replicanto.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you go to new robots Replicanto And now let us say, yeah, put the leader account as whatever is the account connected to your trading view, make that as the leader account.
So this is the one.
Right. And then you can, yeah, make this as child accounts. So did you get Apex? Did you get 50K or 150K?
50K. Actually, this parent account is a 50K. And then these three, I took the 150K. So I think copying should be fine, but
Yeah. Yeah. Then
because
yeah,
I'll
that is
probably
good.
go for the smaller numbers on this. And then I think most of them averaging is 50.
Okay, yeah, then that is fine. But if your parent is 150K, then what you can do is you can put the cross order.
Got it.
Then if you take a ES mini, then it will take a ES micros here.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah. So like this, you can add any number of connections. If you have Trader, you can go and you can add a connection for Trader. If you
Got
have
it.
LI Trader fund, you can add connections. Now all those accounts will appear. So whenever you take a perfect trade in the leader account, then the same will copy into all these accounts.
Got it. And then for trading, I guess this is the part I'm a little confused on is since I remember yesterday or a couple of days back in the setup session, you said to connect TradeOweight over here, and this is my primary account. So if I do the trade here, it should automatically.
Right. Yeah, copy it, but you need to have a tab, right? For example, this is ZL. So you need to have a tab for ZL there in the replicanto.
Right. And then,
Yeah, then if we, yeah,
so for instance, if I had the NQ over here, then,
hmm, yeah,
and
if
if
you
I
take
place
a,
the trade, then it would.
right, then it will copy it into your all those accounts.
And I know you sort of breeze through that during your setup, but would you sort of walk through how to do the trading? Or is it just click on trade and then that panel should open up?
Right, yeah, you can click on it, and if you see a buy signal now, for example, let us say you will get a buy signal, and now you have everything bullish in the time
Right,
frame. Trend is bullish. Let us say momentum is also completely green.
right,
And if the trend strength is also green, that means yeah, it is not choppy. It is
right.
in a proper trend. You can buy it and you can easily make $150.
Got it. And then buying on the left, and then of course number of
Yeah, sell.
units out here, and then
Yeah,
selling over
sell.
here.
Right. Yeah, if you click on that side, that is selling.
Okay.
If you click on the left side, it is buying. If you click on the right side, it is selling.
And how to do the stop loss orders on this once you have. I guess that's another little bit of a fuzzy piece.
Right. Can you click on the price on the chart?
Yeah.
Come to the chart to the
Oh, sorry. Okay.
yeah. Can you put somewhere
Can you place
around
it?
it? Yeah. So can you write? Yeah. You have that plus sign, right?
Right.
So if you click there, it
Oh.
will allow you wherever you want to price. For example, let us say you are buying now,
Mm-hmm.
and you want to take stop loss at 210, right?
Mm-hmm.
You want to go long, and you want to put a stop loss at 210 or 212 something. Then you put right. You go to 212 and click on the plus sign.
Hmm.
Then it will say, okay, do you buy at that particular stop loss or sell at that stop loss like that.
Ah, over here like this.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and
Yeah.
so it's not like think or swim where you can do all of it in one.
You can do, right. You can go to that order tab instead of DOM, go to the order tab. So here,
Oh.
whenever you are entering, you can put your take profit stop loss. You can say, right, for example, let us say you got a buy signal,
Mm-hmm.
right? You can go to the take profit, check that box,
Mm-hmm.
and you can say you want to take profit some 16 ticks, right? 16 ticks or 12 ticks.
Okay, so over here is where I would put the
Yeah,
16.
you can just, yeah. And then stop loss also, you can say in case if it goes down by some 8 ticks or 10 ticks,
Let's
you
say
want to
five
take
ticks
stop
or
loss.
something.
Yeah. And then
Ah,
you will put buy. That's it. And then you are automatically you are creating a order. You are putting like this is like one cancels other OCO order. You
Got
are
it.
putting in buy order, stop loss order, uh, everything in one place, one time.
Got it. And okay, that's fair. And then okay, yeah, I think I'll complete the setup and then I'll probably follow you on the next buy and sell
Mhm.
signals.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Again, I think it should, right? All the sell will be only for a small time. Then again, it will start going up because overall trend is bullish. If you get a buy signal, you can enter again.
Got it over here because the most of it is green for the first two columns, and then this one, isn't it under
Yeah.
20 being choppy or
Yeah. Under 20 is choppy. So after 8, the volume will slowly increase. So as of now, it
uh,
is little choppy. Yeah. Generally, indices will be little choppy now. If you, yeah, you can focus on gold, silver, platinum uh, during this time.
got it? And then you said the evening time window was 7:30 to 9:30 typically.
Yeah, central. Yeah, 7:30 to 9:30 central. Generally, you will see some good volume.
Got it.
After that, again, the volume will go down. Again, Europe market opens around 1 a.m. central. One from 1 a.m. again the volume will start. Again, it won't be too much volume like US market, but
Mm-hmm.
if we have patience, that is the best time because generally it moves in one direction. If you get a nice buy signal, it will go up, or if you get a sell, it will go down. In US market, we may have sudden ups and downs, sudden bounces, but in Europe market, it will be more steady. One side, it will keep going up or going down. So if you follow the rules, it is much easy to make money during Europe market. But
Got
I
it.
know it is difficult to stay during that time. But if somebody uh, gets up early, then well, yeah, for them it is very easy to trade during Europe or even in the morning hours, 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. Central. That is where it is slow but easy to trade, easy to make profits.
Got it. And then for the based off what you were saying yesterday, I think in terms of the columns and the whether bullish or bearish, trend and momentum, if most of it is green and we can see trend strength to be close to 20 or above, that's when it's and
Yeah,
you look for the buy signal.
right.
And then both these are both trend and momentum are red, and then you still see trend strength to be 20 or above. That's when we know it's we look for the sell signal, and that's a short.
That is right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's only the trend strength at all given times, that's the one indicator of whether it's choppy or not, whether it's bullish or bearish, correct?
Right. Volatility also will give you, right? If, for example, if all the numbers are just 1.5 for NQ,
Mm-hmm.
that means it is telling that in 5 minutes, if it is just moving 1 2 points, that means it is choppy,
Mm.
right? Volatility means how much movement it can, how many points it can move in that 5 minutes or 15 minutes, 1 hour. So
Oh, got
we
it.
don't want
Okay.
it too much volatile also, right? You don't want everything if within 1 minute, if it is moving 20 30 points, right? For
Right.
example, if it is earnings or some FOMC event, then there can be sudden 30 40 points move within 1 minute. That is
Mm.
also dangerous for us, right? Because you cannot
Yeah.
enter at right time or exit at right time if the volatility is too high. So that also indicates if it is too volatile or too less volatile, also not good. No, you want volatility, but you don't want it too much or you don't want too less.
Got it. Got it. And then for I know for Tradify and Tick Tick Trader, it was direct funded, but for the other ones, for like Apex, for instance, the one which I added,
Right.
that one is more of you
Yeah.
pass the
Even
challenge and then get funded, correct?
that is right.
And then when it gets funded, we pay a separate fee or
Yeah. Whenever we complete the challenge, they will send you an email saying like, congratulations, you got the funded account. Then now I think for any account size, $120 for lifetime.
okay.
So yeah, you pay 120, then you get a performance account for lifetime. But Again, you should not hit the trail stop loss. As long as you don't hit the trail stop loss, you can continue using that for lifetime and keep taking the payouts.
Got it. And then that refund or reinstate is basically saying that in case you don't honor that trail stop loss, then you basically
That
reset.
that reset is only for evaluation accounts. You
Ah,
cannot
okay.
reset your funded account. Again, you have to do one more evaluation to get the funded.
Sort of get back in line. So,
Right. Yeah. Again, you have to prove that you can, yeah, without hitting the trail stop loss, you can complete the target. And then again, they will give you one more performance account,
got it.
more funded account.
Got it.
Yeah.
This helps. Thank you so much.
Sure, no problem. Yeah. Hi, Chakri. Do you have any questions? Chakri, we can't hear you if you're talking.
Yeah, can you hear me, Kishore?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Yeah, sorry, Kishore. I know. Basically, I'm trying to follow sessions and do the setup myself. Basically, I was a Mac user, so I have to get with the Windows. So in the mean, I was trying to get the Replicanto software license. I
Okay.
think I sent an email. Once you get a chance, I will try to set it up, and then I think I can have a questions to ask you if I need help. That's the only
Okay.
one pending I have right now. Ninja Traders
So,
and the Replicanto.
so did you already sell $100 and send the machine ID?
Yeah, already. I did like yeah, I did that already, and I sent an email. I just want to give time. I know you said like 24 hours, so I kind of waited. So yeah,
Yeah, sure.
I texted you my email ID on the chat if you can see that, so that way you know what's the email I sent to you.
Yeah, yeah, sure. We'll check that.
Okay. Yeah. Once I have that, Kishore, then I can set it up, and then I can have questions because I haven't even tried the setup. So thank you.
Sure, check. Yeah. Yeah, hi, Ratan. Do you have any questions?
I have one question, Kishore. So, can I get one Apex Rhythmic account and one Apex Traderweight and try to connect it through Ninja Trader and use Replicanto?
Yeah, you can do that.
Oh, okay.
Mhm. Yeah, there is no limit. Yeah, as long as you have one Rhythmic, that will help you to get the Ninja Trader and install the Replicanto. And then you can connect any number of Traderweight accounts with that Rhythmic.
Okay. So, it need not always, it can be Apex also, Traderweight Apex also. Okay.
Yeah, it can be any Traderweight. Yeah.
Okay. All right. And Kishore, sorry.
Yeah.
I think I enrolled in the Replicanto like last year with you. So
Mhm.
if I need to reset the machine ID and all, I need to send you an email, right?
Yeah, you can send your machine ID
Okay.
and if possible, yeah, send the previous one also or the last name or something what you might have used
Okay.
so that I know which one to change.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Manoj, do you have any questions?
Hi, Kishore. I just need help with setting up the Bluenox account in the Ninja Trader. Can
Okay,
you?
so you already got Apex Rhythmic or you got Apex Tradeover accounts?
I did not get Apex. I have Bluenox in Tradify.
Okay. So did you already install Ninja Trader?
Yeah, and I got connected with the Tradify and the ETF, but unable to connect with Bluenox.
Yeah, can you please share your screen?
I'm
You
not
have to
sure.
join as a panelist.
Okay. So this is my Ninja Trader, and I tried connecting the Bullnox, but it shows me a yellow.
Mm. Okay, you have to go and select a Rhythmic for Ninja Trader brokerage.
Okay.
Yeah. Click on add. Yeah, yeah, rename that as Bullnox, and you can copy the username password from your Bullnox dashboard. Yeah, just still rhythmic Chicago paper trading.
Oh,
There is a rhythmic paper trading Chicago.
okay.
Yeah, say apply. Yeah, okay. Say okay. Yeah, now just switch on the connections. Now, what is the other rhythmic you are using?
I just tried adding one before. I can disconnect that.
Okay, maybe you can remove that one. Go to configure.
Okay.
And yeah, you can.
And I have to click on this, right?
Right.
It doesn't do anything.
Yes. Click on that one more time. So did you, how did you install this NinjaTrader? Did you import the Bullnox license or?
I initially created this using the Tradified Terabyte.
Okay, that might be a reason. Because generally when you install NinjaTrader using the Bullnox license, then there won't be any issue. You can easily connect to Bullnox first and then you can connect Tradify, Elite Trader Fund, everything easily.
Okay,
So,
so you want me to like remove this and start fresh from Bullnox?
right, yeah. So you follow the steps of uh, NinjaTrader installation from the Bullnox email,
Okay,
and then you have to import that license. Whatever Bullnox gave you NinjaTrader free license, you have to import into the NinjaTrader website. And then
okay,
if you install it, then you can add on Tradify, like Trader Fund, Apex, all the Tradeaway accounts you can add without any issues.
got it. Okay, and I'll do that, and I'll get back if I have any questions. Thanks.
Yeah. Right. Srini, do you have any questions? Srini, we can't hear you if you're talking.
Hello.
Yeah, now we can hear Srini.
Hey, actually, my name is Bala, but Mission picked up my name Srini. But so I just want to. I use Windows Mission. So how to get my mission ID? Like, what is mission ID means?
Do you have NinjaTrader installed?
No, I haven't installed.
Yeah, from NinjaTrader, you have to go to help, and then you have to give. Yeah, from there you have to get the mission ID. You have to enter the vendor name as Flowbots, and then put your last name, and then it will generate a mission ID. From there, you have to do it from the Ninja.
So I mean, I just started going to the documentation level. So where I can get a Ninja Trader like software? I got a Tradify and Bullnox prop accounts.
So if you got the Bullnox prop account, Bullnox will send you an email
Okay.
with all the steps on how to install Rhythmic Pro and Ninja Trader. You have to do that. And once you do that, then you can generate a mission ID. If you're in the premium, yeah, I already shared a setup session video. So if you watch that video, it will show you how to generate the machine ID and how to, yeah.
Is that setup video shared recently? Like,
Yeah, I
joined
shared it.
today's session.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I
Thank you.
just shared. Yeah. Today I shared it again.
Thank you. Thank you. If possible, could you please also share today's video, this session?
Yeah, I'll share it. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Sure.
Hello,
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah, Surendra, do you have any questions?
No, I don't have any questions. You can.
Yeah.
Sure,
Kishore,
okay. Prashant and Deepak. Okay. Now I got an idea.
can I share my session? Kishore, I'm ready.
Hello?
Can I go ahead?
Surendra, you want to share your screen?
Yeah, can you join
Yeah.
me? Yeah. Yeah, a couple of questions. The first thing is, I think, this one I'm seeing this error. I think because you didn't add that B. So I sent that in the chat. Robots thing. Once you get a chance, you can add it. Okay, so that is one thing. The second question I have is, in the trading here, so only the TradeAway account we can do, or like we can also log in as a Apex account here?
Mm, You can log in with Tradify, you can log in with Apex, any TradeAway account you can log in here. You have to log out and
Yeah, I kind of tried that. So here I go here. Then I was
and then
giving that Apex one.
okay.
Let's say is that it's not been entitled to access your
You
account.
have to enable that add-ons, right? You have to again go to that tradeaway.com.
Okay. For everything. Okay.
Yeah, for every brokerage or every prop firm account, you have to repeat the same steps.
Okay. Got it. Yeah. Okay. So I'll do that again. You didn't enable my this one, right? Like replicant to access it, I think.
Did you send it in the?
Yeah, I sent in the what is that thing. Anyway, tomorrow I'm going to get another laptop, but it's up to you. Whether you want to do or like once again. Otherwise, tomorrow also I'll send again. Yeah, another question I have is in this one, right? Like, what is this green triangle?
It means it is showing a possible upward momentum.
Oh, okay. So when you say buy signal, this buy, right? That text buy, this one is just the momentum indicator.
Right.
Okay. So from here buy and yeah. And otherwise, another thing that ticks, right? I mean, ticks means like exactly what is the number of points or?
Yeah, basically that is tick is like in forex you call it as a pip, in futures you call it as a tick. Every movement, right? Every small movement, whatever can happen, that is called as a tick. Right. For example, yes, whenever it moves by 25 cents.
Oh, so that depends on that ticker.
Right, yeah. Every ticker has right, crude oil moves by 10 cents or gold moves by 10 cents, like that. Yeah, every ticker has its own ticks. That means
Oh,
how much you can make with every small move.
yeah. And also today in the trade of it, I kind of made a big loss. So what will happen? Like they said, I think below 95 means they'll cancel the account or what happens?
No, no. Yeah, if it goes below 95,000, it will be a trail stop loss. But if you trade slowly and recover it back, then again it will be normal. So
So
you
one
take the
day, okay, if I make one day that 2,500, like they won't allow any more trades, I think, right?
only right. Yeah. Again, now you can trade. Right. Your futures trading session is always from 5 p.m. to 4 p.m. next day.
Okay.
So because today before 4 p.m. you had this one. So now if you trade, it will allow you to trade, but wait for the right setup.
Yeah, I think I don't know. Like I could not in the morning. I took that crude oil along with you, but somewhere you were moving, to other indicators. Somewhere I lost that, and I couldn't do. And they did the 2.5% loss or whatever. That I didn't put the stop loss one.
Mm.
So I think I have to be more careful. And also I can open one more account in this one itself, like another account,
Yeah, you can open up to
so more
7.
like a start new challenge or something.
Right.
Okay. So I think I don't know. Better. I'm thinking better to take. I'm still unable to do it right. Maybe the evaluation
Then
accounts
you
would be
start
better
with
for me.
Apex. Go with Apex Tradeaway, right? That is more cheaper. You get it for $16 only.
Apex
Y-
Trader. Yeah, I think this morning I
Go,
paid 16, and then from next month 32. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
yeah, go to Tradeaway. Within there, you have Rhythmic and Tradeaway at the left side, left menu.
Okay.
You go to Tradeaway
Yeah.
and you can select a 50K full size.
Okay. It's in Apex also. Okay.
Yeah, here you can put that promo code as save 90, so you will get 90% off.
Oh, like that we can open any account. This is
Yeah, you
like a
can.
real loss, right, Kishore? That 2,500, like where they, I mean, how do they kind of
No,
recover
no,
all
no.
that?
You should not put the checkbox.
Oh,
That
okay, okay,
is,
sorry,
you are
sorry,
not.
yeah, yeah. So here, let's say, what is this secure payment 321 and all that?
No, they have some servers to process your
Ah,
payments.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
So,
So let's say,
now
okay,
here
so this
we
is
are
for a monthly subscription, right?
right. Yeah. But if you complete within 1 month, if you complete the evaluation, you won't pay that again.
Okay, okay. So like as long as you are still in the evaluation, you'll pay that one, right? That's what it means.
Right. Right.
Oh,
Yeah. So if anybody is new, they can start with Apex or Bullnox, which are cheaper. Once you become confident, once you are taking right trades, then you go to Tradify or Tick Trader, which where you can make the real money. But if you are new and practicing, better you do with uh, these ones, which are
so these
or
are the ones, right? Now you add your configure.
you
Uh,
disconnect and connect, then it will. Now already you have Apex Trading. You don't need to create one more. Right?
okay, okay. Here we have to add one more.
No, you already have it, so you don't need to add. Only for one company, you need one connection.
Oh, then where do you see the new one I just created?
Go
Because I
to
had
go
a,
to go to connections.
hmm.
Disconnect that Apex Trading,
Oh, okay, okay. Got it.
and you have to connect it back. Then it will, yeah. But
Show
it may
the
take
other
another
account.
2-3 minutes for the new account to appear. But after 2-3 minutes, you can disconnect and connect it back.
Oh,
Then it will show you the new accounts.
oh. But so what I'm saying, like this money, whatever, like I lost right today, is that like they how do they recover or they just don't?
They are giving you a simulated funded account. Once you make some 6 payouts, then they will ask you to trade in the live account.
Oh, so this is not like real money I lost today then.
Right. You will make real profits if you make profits, but they are not really giving you money directly. Once
Yeah.
you consistently make 6 payouts, they will give you the real money to trade where you can cash out every day. Whatever profit you make on
Okay,
the day,
okay.
you can take at the end of the day.
At least it
Simple.
makes me feel better. It's not the 2,500 real money, right? Either they or I lost. I mean, I didn't lose, but at least they didn't also lose, right?
Right, right. Yeah.
Oh,
Any of these companies, generally, initially, they will give you a simulated, right? Simulated funded accounts. once you consistently make some few payouts, then they know that okay, you are trading carefully, and then they will give you the real account.
Okay, okay. So here, like, so once I get this new one, I add that in the trader weight, and then I should be able to log in with any Apex or any prop firm account, right?
That is right. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So after I get the click control, I'll go to the video and follow that. I think still I have to master this. I don't know. While watching you, it looks kind of simple and easy, but then when I'm doing it, really somewhere like faltering my actions.
Right.
So,
Anything new is like that, right? When you first time when you try to drive a car, you feel it very difficult. Afterwards, you feel like why it was so much difficult.
yeah.
So anything is like that. So
I think I'm feeling only comfortable with stocks, Kishore. So what should I do? Like only, let's say, pick um, the stocks and here, and then like do it. Like say, for example, I pick this one, only stay like trade 100 stocks, something like that.
yeah, again, right? Because when you trade in your personal account, you have a limited capital. You cannot take advantage. When you trade in prop firms, but you don't need to go in a hurry, right? Just start with micros, or you can trade in a paper trading account. You can go to trading panel and connect a trading view paper account. So even you are not wasting that $15-16 on Apex.
Okay.
So once you confidently take trades for 2-3 days, then you can start trading in the
Okay. So here, like paper trading, just to open it here itself. Oh, it's already
yeah,
there. Okay.
right.
Oh, this is from this guy, that's trading view. Okay.
Right. Here you can follow the rules, take the trades, and then you can confidently take the trades.
Okay. Yeah. 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 I think what's in bicycle and I have top trend price pulse, and then I think one more price pilot. Price pilot we are not using much, right?
Yeah, that is like a mini version of price pulse because directly we are using price pulse. We don't use price pilot.
Okay. And can I, what else I can request in place of this? For now, I mean, if I keep it for some time, at least 1 month.
Yeah, you can keep it for a few days and then you can get QQQ or spy scanner or something.
Yeah, because for me, stocks are more comfortable. So maybe like you said, spy scanner, right? Okay. Yeah. Then after that, I can send in the chat bot, like I
Yeah,
can replace this with.
right.
Okay. That ninja bot, right? Yeah, this is where I sent today, I mean yesterday. Today I sent.
Right, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so I think after a few days, once I understand, I'll send a replacement request and see how it goes.
Sure.
Yeah, I think thanks a lot, Vishwan.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Vendu. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, hi Kishore. When I'm trying to install the Replicanto, I'm getting an error message.
Did you send your mission ID?
So can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Tools, import Ninja script add-in, right?
Now, did you send your mission ID to me?
Yeah, I sent in the chat today. So I'm opening this, getting this error. Oh, so this is the error. And that's immediately closing the application also.
Can you log in again? Okay, now first go to remove Ninja script assembly.
Don't have.
Okay, close it. Okay, now go to tools, import Ninja script add-on. You have to select the entire zip file. Yeah. Okay, yeah, say yes. Okay, are you connected to OneDrive?
Oh yeah.
Your OneDrive has some issues. So can you copy that file on your local machine? Instead of OneDrive, is there a, yeah, in your documents or somewhere you can copy it?
Tools import. Oh, it's still coming from there. Did you provide? Did you are given the license access?
Can you copy that machine ID one more time? Go to control center. Is this the only machine you got, or
Yeah, if it doesn't work, I'll use the other machine tomorrow. Control center. What the other one?
you can close all these windows? You can go to help, third-party licensing. Yeah, give flowbots F capital, B cap BOTS. Yeah, put your last name. Yeah, yeah, copy, paste it in the Zoom chat. Yeah, can you try to install now?
Okay. Tools. Okay, maybe it's my machine issue, is it?
Yeah, it seems it is your machine issue.
Okay, I'll try another one. Another question. So I try to, let's say, I try to place an order here, for example, when I'm watching your screen, and I'm getting this error. Your maximum order quantity, it's saying rejected, and your order quantity has been met. This is my first order.
Okay, the Tradify, they halted the trading for some, right? They are doing some maintenance work. So
Oh.
you take the trades on Apex or something. So as of now, because they are doing maintenance, you cannot. Yeah, it's a Tradify issue. So
Okay.
you have to use either Apex, Tradeovate, or any other account.
So another question, I added my Tradeovate account here, but when I open the new tab, it was not coming in the new tab. New tab again, it is asking like
Right. You cannot create the same Tradeovate on multiple tabs.
oh, okay. So whatever the trade I want to make, I need to just change the sticker here and make the trade.
Right. Yeah.
And one more thing, I'm not getting this text message here like buy or sell. I'm just getting the symbol, and I'm getting the.
You are not using top trend, right? Price pulse will only show the order blocks and fair value gaps. You have to use top trend indicator. If
Yeah,
you go and see,
this is it's here, RC top trend. See, this is there.
but you that is yeah, just give me control. I'll add it.
Okay.
Now you can see the buy sell signals.
Right. So if I want to monitor another sticker, everything I have to do in the same tab, or I can check it
You
on.
can you can check it on different tabs. You can create different tabs. But you can trade only in one tab.
Okay, got it.
But if you have, for example, let us say you have a personal account, then you can create, you can connect to IBKR on one more tab, or you have account in Webull. You can
Okay.
create it. So you cannot connect to the same Tradeovate on different tabs, but you can connect to different accounts in different tabs, different brokerages.
Okay. So after we place the order, and if you are monitoring something else, and how do we track that order? We were forgetting. Is it show somewhere here, the current order?
Yeah, if you go to Tradeovate, if you click here, it will show all the orders, open orders, what are the positions, everything it will show here.
Okay.
It will show the profits, everything.
Okay. So I try to buy. I just bought the. What is this? Let me show. Trade. Wait, did I close my tab? The TikTok. So this one, any URL, and I paid $70, but I did not get any user ID or password.
Yeah, why you got tiny URL? Tiny URL is not related to trading.
Oh, is it? Okay. I was copying the TikTok URL from the Zoom session. I just pasted in the browser and I went here. Okay, maybe mistake. Okay. So can you give me that correct, ping me that correct URL for the TikTok?
You can click on that link. It will directly take you to that. You click on the link. Tomorrow you can call their customer support. They will refund this amount.
Okay.
You can say that I don't need any URL. They will refund it. And you just click on the right. I sent you the document. If you click on the link, it will take you to the exact.
Okay. The one last question. So, but I can place the order after that maintenance is completed on the trader.
Right, but it may take. They said by Wednesday they may complete the maintenance. Until that time, you can connect to Apex Trader Weight or something, and you can do the trades.
Okay, these are the accounts I have. Which one I can use?
You can use ETF.
Okay.
Yeah. You can use ETF as the primary one. You connect that to the trading view, and then you can copy those trades into Bullnox.
Okay, and I still need to do that. Okay, I'll contact you again with the new machine ID tomorrow with the new laptop.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Hi, Sudhir Bandi. Do you have any questions? Yeah, we can hear you.
We were able to this is telling us that this machine needs to be added machine ID.
Can you copy that machine ID into the Zoom chat?
Actually, I sent it to your account on Kishore.
No, it's already there, right? Bundy A9BF. Did you change it?
I did not, but it kept saying now that we got this, that it is not added.
Yesterday you sent a different ID, right?
Was it different? I
Yeah,
thought it
yesterday
was
what?
the same.
Yeah, you can copy this. I'll change it.
Okay. You want to put in the Zoom
You
chat as
can
well?
you can paste in the Zoom chat or
Yeah.
I'm replacing it with what you sent yesterday. Yeah, now you should be able to. Can you log out and log in? Go to new.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, now you know how to set up, right?
But you wanted us to go to each and every one of these price features and
Yeah, you can select MQ or ES, whichever you pick. you make the leader account. Yeah. And then you can make the bullnox as the paid account. You select that one. Yeah. And then you can right click on this NQ at the bottom, duplicate in new tab. And you instead of NQ, you can make it ES or right. In the same way, you can whatever tickers you trade, you can create a tab for each of them.
Right? Okay. Thank you very much, Kishore. One quick question. In one of the accounts we made some money, and in others we lost around 1,200 to 1,300, but then it locked us up. I haven't called them up, but I'll call them first thing tomorrow morning. Do I have to reopen the account? But I thought it was 2,500 as the stop loss or trailing drawdown.
So is it bullnox or which one is it
Uh,
traded?
Elite. We had 3 elite trader accounts.
So again, the trail stop loss for Elite Trader Fund or Apex, it works on the intraday drawdown. For example, let us say you already made a 1250 or something from 25,000 or 50,000. Let us say you went to 51,500. From so initially 50,000, your trail stop will be 47,500. But after making $1,500 profit, now your trail stop loss will be only at 49,000. It will not be 47,500.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe we have to call them up and ask them to reset it again. That means I have to pay an extra those.
Yeah, but instead of reset, it is better you get a new account because new account is only $16. For reset, you have to pay $35 or so.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
And the new account we have to get it today itself, right? Tonight is the last.
For Apex and ETF, Bullnox, tomorrow is the last date for the 90% off.
Okay.
Yeah, by tomorrow you can get the new accounts. Yeah. Hi Prasad, do you have any other questions?
Yes, I'm having issues with replicant or same thing as the other person had. So I'm not sure what to do now. Maybe you want to again check the machine ID.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah, should I stay? Okay, the host is like.
Did you?
Yeah. Okay, I stay. I clicked the wrong button. Maybe I need to do as a join as a panelist.
Yes. You need to join as panelist to share the screen. So NQ, yes, they are going up again. If anybody got the long position.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So tools, import, add on.
So can you first go to help and show your machine ID, whether you sent it right or not?
Sure.
Go to help, third party licensing. Put flow box. You click on submit. So I think when you sent the Matori was in lowercase letters. Okay, yeah. I think 87 Matori. Yeah, everything is looking good. 87, yeah. Yeah, close this. So yeah, your machine ID is fine. That is already in the backend. Yeah, just save open. Yes.
So something problem with the importing this one.
Are you using OneDrive?
No, it's I don't have OneDrive. I do have, but I'm not using it. Okay, it's closed.
It automatically close the application.
Yeah, it closed the Ninja too because of that.
So where this file is, where did you save this file? The Replicanto version.
I initially saved in the downloads, and then I moved to a C drive.
Okay, because generally there is a problem with OneDrive. If it gets saved in OneDrive, sometimes it has a problem. But if it is in your computer, then it should not be. There should not be any problem.
Yeah, that is a problem. I don't know. That's where I'm stuck right now.
Can you directly take it from downloads? Copy the
Oh,
file from Telegram to downloads and try to directly import it from there.
okay, let me do that. Same thing again.
Okay, I think maybe you may have to talk to the directly with the Flowbots team.
Okay, do you have a number?
You can go to the Flowbots Ninja in Google and you can just raise a support query with them.
Okay.
Yeah, you can say that while trying to install the application is getting closed, they may send you some troubleshooting instructions.
Okay, I will look into it. And I have one more question. Like you said, for the simulation accounts or the evaluation accounts, uh, once we have a payout amount about 6 times, then only we should be able to see the actual payments. What is the
No,
payout amount?
there are, for example, in Apex, there are 3 stages, right? In Tradify, there are 2 stages. So in
Okay,
Apex, what you do initially is completely first thing is evaluation account where they are giving you a paper account.
right.
So when you make the profits, you are not getting any benefit. It is only to prove them that you can make profits, right? That is stage one. Stage two is where they will still give you a paper account. You can make the real profits. You can make the real money out of it. Even though it is a paper account, they will give you that 90% profit. Whatever profit you make, they will give you 90% to you. So once you make some 6 payouts, then they will give you the real money. That is stage three. So one is complete simulation account. Second is sim funded account. The third one is the actual funded accounts.
Okay,
So in Tradify also initially they will give you sim funded accounts. That means you can make money even though it is a paper account. If you make profits, you will make money. Once you make 6 payouts, then they will give you the real money to trade.
okay, okay. Got it.
Yeah, because if they give some big money and you suddenly do some wrong trades, they will lose the real money. So that's why they start with a simulation, sim funded accounts.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah. Shashi, do you have any questions?
Hello.
Yeah, Shashi, please go ahead.
Bro, I got a couple of questions. I lost in the time in while speaking. One, you said Replicant or NinjaTrader. One of them doesn't work on Mac user, right?
Yeah, replicant. Yeah.
You suggested something VMware or on the cloud side. Do you have
Right.
any documentation or anything you could help it out, please?
Yeah, you can go to chartvps.com.
Sorry, you broken. What is it called?
Chartvps.
Can you type it here, please?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chartvps.com.
Okay. So I need to register here and then do all the setup in this.
Yeah, right.
Oh,
So if you do the setup there, then yeah, your replicant or your Ninja, everything will work there, and you won't have any power outages or internet issues. So you are using their server space.
okay. Got it. A second one, I just sent you a message on RC trainings. Whenever you get a chance, can you please take a look at it? If you want,
Sure,
I'll just type
sure,
in like asterisk asterisk, so it will be on top of your message.
sure. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll check
Thanks,
that.
brother.
Yeah.
It's just good. And last one for right now, I have the Apex Tradify. Not trade. Sorry, not Apex. The Tradify Trader Weight. It's stopped, right? So for doing those transactions, for doing more trading, do you suggest the Blue Nox? But none of them is like a straight to sim funding. Do we have?
Only Tick Trader is the another one, which is direct funded accounts or sim funded accounts. Only Tradify and Tick Trader are the sim funded. All the others, Apex, Bullnox, all these are where you have to complete evaluation first.
Yeah. For this evaluation, we are for straight to SimFund is like 1 year subscription, 1 year, right? For Tradify. But
It
here
is
if you go
lifetime
straight,
actually.
sorry.
It is lifetime. Even though they say it is 1 year, but even Tradify is
Okay.
like a lifetime subscription.
Oh, nice.
As long as you don't break the trial stop loss, that
Correct.
account will be there for lifetime.
Okay. But this evaluation, do we need to pay every month?
No, if you complete evaluation within 1 month, right? For example, you take a 50K Apex Trader Weight account and you are making 300 every day. In 10 days, you made 3,000, or in 2 weeks, you made 3,000. Then
Okay.
this evaluation account, you don't need to pay for the second month, right? That will become a funded account or a performance account, just like Tradify account. And this will become like a simulated funded account.
Okay.
For
Straight to
that, they will ask you to pay $125 lifetime fee.
Okay.
Once you pay that, then again you can use that for lifetime without paying any more,
Okay.
as long as you don't hit the trail stop loss.
And for the Blue Nox, when we go, it has option one, and let's say if I'm going for a 50K, there is one
Right.
option one
Yeah, one is
15,000.
end of the day drawdown, one is intraday drawdown. End of the day drawdown means even your account goes up and down in between, it's not much. You don't need to worry much. Whereas in
Right.
Apex, if it is an intraday drawdown, for every transaction, they see what is the unrealized gain.
Yeah.
From that, you should not go below 2,500.
True. For at end of day is similar to Tradify straight to Symfon, right?
Right, right,
Uh, for this, the RCA 90 coupon is not working.
right. For that one, they have only RCA 45 or something. Only for because that is right more easy to trade when you have end of the day drawdown.
Okay, okay.
So
Got it.
that's why they are not giving 90% off on that.
Okay, got it. Thank you, brother. Those are the three. And please check my message whenever you get chance. No hurry.
Sure. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey,
Bye.
Srikant, do you have any questions?
Hi. Yes, Kishore. Okay.
Yeah. Please go ahead,
Thank
Srikant.
you. Thanks.
You can hear.
Yeah, I don't know this Zoom, like I was waiting, and okay, so I was in line, I think. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm a beginner, and so I just saw the end-to-end the PDF now, and I will complete all the trading view. The step 2 is like the RTC indicators, right, for the Ninja bot, the Apex
Right.
bot. Have to get like that. For the Bullnox, like yeah, okay, the 50K account. So that one, and after that, I'll sell $100 to your Gmail.
If you want the replicant license, yeah, yes, then you have to do it. Or you want to just trade with one account initially, and once you gain the confidence, you can also do that later. It is up to you, right? So
Oh, okay, okay.
if you are confident that you want to take trades and copy them into all the other accounts, you can use replicanter. But if you want to trade only in one account initially until you gain confidence, you can just do with one, so that if you make mistakes, your mistakes will get copied to all the other accounts
Oh,
initially.
okay. Maybe, yeah. Like, after I saw that, people like one go around. I'll do the maybe one, and so for that one, Apex is a good one, challenge account, or
Yeah, Apex challenge is good. Yeah,
yeah,
you can
okay,
start with Apex straight away. Yeah.
okay. And is there any I have to look in the your secretary's channel, like the past videos, like your training sessions or like that to go through?
Yeah, in US equities you can see, or you can go to YouTube and click on search for right choice advisors, and then you'll see all the daily recordings or whatever trades we take. You will understand why we took long position or short position, why we are buying some option calls. So yeah, we have daily recordings of every live session.
Okay, okay, okay. Yep. Thank you. I'll do that, and tomorrow
Yeah.
we'll join. Yeah.
Paul, so Tradify, they have some maintenance activities, so they halted their trading. That's why you may not be able to place the trades in Tradify account. But yeah, if you had any loss or something today, I think they may reset that back to normal. But that is the reason why you are not able to place the trades in Tradify. In meantime, you can use either Apex, Tradeaway, or Bullnox, and you can keep trading in the other prop firms while they complete their maintenance activity. That's it, Paul. Do you have any other questions? Yeah, Raja, I received your replicant ID. I'll add the license for that. Do you have any other questions, Raja?
Yes, Kishore. Replicant, yeah, that is one. And the second one is you mentioned there is an offer going on for the fast track evaluations.
Right, for Allied Trader Fund. Yeah.
Allied Trader Fund, yeah. I was trying to purchase, and there it is showing me, asking me choose your trading platform. This cannot be changed after you purchase it is completed. So what you suggest here?
Yeah, you can select Trading View.
Trading View, but we will be using a Replicento and a Ninja Trader, right, to use this Elite Trader funding.
No, but if you have Replicanter, you can copy to both Rhythmic accounts and Tradeaway accounts. So you can have Trading View is better. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So those are the two things. Yeah, you solved my first one. So I send my machine ID on both the, on the Telegram channel and the Zoom chat.
Sure. Yeah, I'll add license for that.
Okay, thank you, Kishore.
Ram, do you have any questions?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for taking the time today. Just a few questions. I'm a beginner, but I did take a SIM funded account for Tradify because I was listening to one of your previous calls a couple of weeks ago, wherein you said like you wouldn't like if you would encourage us to go with direct funded accounts because if you think it's if you're confident. So I just took one account of SIM funded, but then I also took one Rhythmic account for Apex. But if I now the Rhythmic account for Apex says 10 mini contracts for a 50K account. So if I were to use Replicanto, right? So how do I justify this Rhythmic account? What it's asking, like let's say you say NQ short this or go long, right? And if I put it in my Tradify account, which is the lead account, but the Rhythmic account, does it accept it? Because
Yeah, your
because it says
Replicanto
10
is
mini contracts, I'm a little confused
no,
over there.
again, 10 is what they are saying is you can take maximum 10, but it doesn't mean you have to take 10 contracts, right?
Okay,
Because if you take 10 contracts, suddenly there is a sudden reversal, immediately it will hit your stop loss.
okay,
So
okay,
if it is a 150K account, you can take one or maximum two at a time. If it is a 50K account, if you are new trader, start with 2, 3 micros, 4 micros. As
okay,
you gain experience, you can go maximum 1 mini with a 50K account.
okay, got it.
So yeah, you are only taking one, and the Replicanto is helping you to copy the trade to all the other trader weight and all the Rhythmic accounts.
Okay.
That will
Uh,
directly copy that into the backend database.
so what you're saying is in Tradify, you're asking me to take one micro, which is going to be get copied into Apex Rhythmic using
No, no.
Replicanto.
Yeah. So I'm saying if you have Tradify 150K account, if you
Yeah.
take one mini contract, like which is one NQ, one ES, one
Mm-hmm.
CL,
Right.
then it will, using Replicanto, it will copy it into all the Bullnox or Apex accounts or whatever
Right.
other accounts you have. It will copy into all those if you do that setup, Replicanto setup.
Okay. Okay. But in Rhythmic also, it's going to be one mini, not micro, like you just said earlier.
Yeah, in Rhythmic also, again, unless you put a cross order. If you put a cross order, if you while setting up Replicanto, if you say that, okay, whenever I take a mini here, copy, for example, let us say you have 150K TD5
Mm-hmm.
and you have only 50K Apex accounts.
Correct.
So whenever you take a one mini, you want only one or two micros to be taken in the Apex account.
Right.
Then in the Replicanto, you can set it up as a cross order.
Okay.
So whenever you take minis here, it will take micros in the smaller 50K accounts.
Got it. Okay. Makes sense.
But if you have all 150K accounts, then you can say exact quantity. Then if you take one mini, it will copy one mini in all the other accounts.
Got it. So I'm actually in step where I'm setting up NinjaTrader, and where I'm stuck at is like there is an option wherein it's saying choose sim funded, or do you want to directly enable live trading? I
You
wasn't
select the sim funded, yeah,
not live trading. Okay, sim
not
funded.
live. Yeah.
Okay,
Live
okay,
means where you have to put your own money. Sim funded is where you are using these prop firms.
okay, cool. And the other thing is I already Zelled you for the Replicanto, but I'm still in step 4, I guess, setting up Ninja. But once I have that Replicanto user ID, I'll share that across to you.
Yeah.
I think, and could you explain me the difference between Apex Rhythmic and Apex Traderweight? Because in one of the process documents, initially, I think a couple of days ago, you asked us to take Apex Rhythmic, which I took, but now in the end to end, I see Traderweight, so I'm a little
No, basically
confused.
Apex Rhythmic is like an old interface, NinjaTrader interface.
Okay,
So because you have to install Replicanto, you need either Bullnox Rhythmic or Apex Rhythmic,
okay,
right? Because you cannot, if you have only TraderWeight accounts, the advantage is you can directly connect to TradingView,
okay.
but you cannot install Replicanto on a TraderWeight account.
Oh, okay.
So that's why we are getting one Rhythmic, and then you can get all the other TraderWeight accounts.
Got it. And you were explaining one other user earlier that once we find like reach the goal of $3,000 for the Rhythmic 50K account, once we reach that, so and that account is going to be for again till we break the chain. it's going to pay out from then on. Is that right?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, until yeah, that will be for lifetime.
Okay. And Replicanto installation, is there a video you put in US equities, Kishore?
Yeah, I shared it today. Yeah.
Okay, I'll look at it. Cool. That's all I had. Thanks, Kishore.
Yeah. Yeah, Abhinav, do you have any question?
Yeah, hi Kishore. I upgraded the subscription from monthly to 6 months plan.
Yeah.
So do I need to cancel the monthly or is it automatically taken care?
Please go ahead and cancel it. You can go to the same bot, enter status, then it will
Uh,
show you cancel option. Or you can send me your email and I'll cancel it. So it won't.
okay. Yeah, I will send you my email, Kishore.
Sure.
So for this upgrade also, that promotion is still valid, the hotel card.
Yeah. Until
Okay,
end
okay.
of today, it is valid.
Yeah, I upgraded yesterday only, so okay, that's fine.
Sure.
Yeah, that's all I had, Kishore.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Guru Raj, do you have any questions?
Yeah, hi, Kishore. I have a little challenge, connecting to TradeAway, using my trading view. So it says failed to connect. Trading view has not been entitled to access your account. Please log into the client dashboard and then select add-on grant permission. It says.
Yeah, both yes and NQ long or in profits. If anybody entered earlier, yes and NQ long, you can take profits and yeah. In the morning time, it will be much faster. So, Guraj, do you want to share your screen?
Yeah, I can share. Can you give me the permission?
Yeah.
Join. So this is trading. I try to connect to TradeAway, using the trading view. Actually, hold on. Let me just.
No, you have to do that steps, right? I told you. For any account, you have to go to that TradeAway and you have to complete that non-disclosure, non-professional, all that
Okay.
agreement.
Okay,
Just
on
like
the
you
TradeAway.
right on the TradeAway. You have to give the Apex credentials
Okay.
and log into the TradeAway website
Okay.
and go to the top right corner, click on add-ons and enable the trading view integration.
Okay, I will try that now. Yeah, let me try.
Yeah. Pradeep, do you have any questions?
Hey Kishore, just a quick question. So I have two Bullnox Rhythmic account and one Apex Rhythmic account. So can we connect from the Replicanto to both the Rhythmic accounts?
You have Apex Rhythmic and Bullnox Rhythmic?
Yeah. I'm getting a
Uh,
message saying that you cannot connect more than one
Yeah,
Rhythmic account.
you can only connect to one. If you have Apex TraderWeight and Bullnox Rhythmic, you can connect all of them.
Yeah, I can connect. But if I'm trying to connect Apex Rhythmic account, that is not, it's not getting connected.
Yeah, because you cannot have both the connections on the same machine.
Okay, got it. So there's no way, I mean, that account is useless now, right?
Yeah, or you have to trade them separately, right? For example, you complete the evaluation on these Apex Rhythmic and then you install Ninja using Bullnox license and then complete the evaluation on Bullnox. But you cannot trade simultaneously. That's why it's always better you take Bullnox Rhythmic and Apex TraderWeight so you can copy the trades from one to other.
Okay, got it. Thanks.
Yeah. So one of the
Kishore?
members. Yeah.
Yeah, on the trader weight, where do I enable the thing? Because let me share it. Hold on.
Yeah, Paul, I'll explain about the fast track evaluations.
So I'm here, on the trader weight.
Okay, go to the top right corner.
Here. Okay.
Yeah. Go to the add-ons.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
And yeah, trading view. Go to the trading view, activate. Yeah, now go back to trading view.
Perfect. All right. That sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, Paul want to understand what is this. So within this Elite Trader funding, you have two types of accounts. One is called fast track evaluation, where within 14 days you have to complete the target, right? So that's why it is called as fast track. So here you can take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It is up to you. As long as you pay every month, you can take on you can continue to trade. Whereas here for the fast track evaluations, you have only 14 days time period. Within 14 days, if you think you can complete the 6,000 target, that means every day you make 300 within or 300 to 400. Yeah, then we should be able to complete it within 14 days. So they have a discount, right? One is instead of $75, you pay $26, you'll get a 100K evaluation account. And then once you complete that, every month you have to pay $80 for the performance account. So they are giving that first month for the free. So once you complete evaluation, once you complete the target, they will give you the performance or funded account. Initially, you don't need to pay anything for the first 1 month. That is the other advantage with this one. So within $26, you are getting the first 1 month of performance, and also within 2 to 3 weeks, you have to complete the target. Once you open it, once you start trading, then within 14 calendar days, you have to achieve the target. That's why this is called as fast track evaluation. Other than that, everything is same. You get the free real-time data, you get a free Ninja Trader license key, you get 1 month
Order
free,
submitted.
100K, 2 months free on 250K, like that. Because until yesterday they had 90% off on these ones, but today they removed that offer. They kept offer on these ones. So if you are confident that you can make $300-400 every day, you can take this one. That is a good deal, and you can trade along with Apex Trader Weight and right all the other Verify, Apex. You can combine all these things and you can trade all of them together. But as long as you follow the rules, then yeah, we can consistently make the profits. So you can see yes made a huge move. NQ made a huge. Where is the zone? Yeah. So as I said, right, NQ is overall very, very, very bullish. So again, it made nice profits again. So I took long on ES. I took profits on ES.
Order filled. Order filled.
In the same way, NQ also you can take profits. So earlier we made $100. Now another $100. So evening also you can make 200, 300. In the morning time between 6 to 8:30 you can make another 100, 200. From 9 to 11 you can make another 100, 200. So like that. Then because you are copying the same trade into multiple accounts, even though it is $100, that is like $1,000 gain. Right? So again, it can go all the way till here. But yeah, it's already right. Now we have to wait for a lot of time. In the morning time, if you get the same one within 5 minutes, you will make $100, $200. Yeah, you can use that with Replicanto. Yeah, Elite Trader Fund, you can use Replicanto and copy the trades. Yeah, that is the advantage when you get the confidence, right? You have unlimited potential, right? You have 40 different companies. Each company gives you 10, 20 performance accounts. So all you need is take time, practice. And once you practice, then every day you just to make $100, but copy it into 100 accounts. That is a $10,000 profit. Wait for a good setup like this. Right, we got a buy signal. Everything is bullish. Everything is green. It moved all the way $100. Right, so that's it. We want to wait for good setup and take a trade, and you're done for the day. Yeah, that's it, everyone. We'll talk again tomorrow morning. Have a nice rest of the evening. Good night, everyone.